Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Harkana, today we will have some interview. Maybe we just answer the some questions, and later the video combined into one video. Yeah. Okay. For the first, could you please introduce yourself and your personality?
So first I want to introduce myself and or my personality. So everyone, my name is Arkana Raisi Hamam. I'm a student at SMP IDN boarding school. Now I was 9th grade, especially 9E class. So I'm from Tangerang Selatan. My home in Tangerang Selatan, Bintaro. Yeah. And I born in 2010 in September, especially in 25 September.
It's in sector 9.
Sector yes 9.
Near.
Okay.
But your personality?
About my personality, so when I was in elementary school, I was interested about in IT world. Like in elementary, I already study about Scratch in my elementary school, and then learn also about Excel and some platform that about IT. So in elementary, my parents bring me to this school, junior high school in SMP because of that I was interested in IT, because in home I always spend my time for playing games. So yeah, that's
Yeah. So, do you know what is your strength actually, and your weakness?
So my strength is like sports. So first for my strengths is I'm more about to sports such as futsal or football, and then badminton and table tennis. I'm more like on sports, and that's also my strength. Because my stamina and energy is more maybe for that sports. And second, for my weakness is bad at public speaking in front of many people, because less self confidence.
Okay.
So but now I'm still learn and improve my public speaking. So this is a progress of my self confidence. And yeah, maybe that's all.
Okay. So later you can try again and again to do a presentation, like practicing the public speaking in front of the people, at least in front of the us, your friends, yeah, audience. Okay. So, what IT skills did you have before and after studying in IT?
So when I was in elementary school, especially in Khalifa IMS, that my elementary school, I learned basic about IT, that is Scratch, like programming, like making game from scratch. So that is the basic steps if you want to be a programmer. And then when I enter in SMP IDN, my junior high school, I have a lot of knowledge here, like my IT lesson and English lesson, first my IT lesson in here, it's very helps me or guide me to improve my IT skills and my public speaking also. In when I was in 7th grade, I learned from scratch first, and then for design platform I use Canva from the school. Ask us to use Canva for the basic design platform. After that, upgrade into Figma, the second step of designing platform. And after that, in programming from scratch, upgrade to Buildbox, and then Flutter, the very hard platform. So, and Flutter is helped me to improve my logical thinking, my soft skill, and then maybe that's all.
Okay, so which IT project are you most proud of? The last project, the 9th grade project?
The last project is my best project, especially the Flutter.
Flutter.
It was real fun.
This Bitaqwa.
Yeah, Bitaqwa app. Because in Flutter or in Visual Studio Code, it's very helped me to improve my soft skills, like helps me improve my logical thinking, and then also problem solving, how to fix our problem at the program, and also the teacher helps me in the Flutter project, so it's not very that hard. And also we have to know that Flutter is very easy if there is someone to guide us and then study from zero. But because before I was really confused to how using Flutter, but now I already know some about it.
Okay, so it's helps you
Become the
Very
best.
helpful.
to improve your skills.
Yes.
And then
So, how do you think your
medals,
IT skill
I
will
have
help
more
you
to
in the future or to reach your
medals
dream?
like
Sorry.
when I
How do you
joined
think your IT
any
skill will
event
help you in the
my
future?
holidays, I joined
So,
any
how
event, I got
IT skills will
many
help me in the
medals.
future
So
is,
medals I can show
example,
you
I have my
from
own
my
business
5,000
in the future, inshallah. And then
There is my gold
for the basic skills, IT skills, it's helped me to
So
manage
I think
manage my business,
and I'm
like
sorry if I'm
counting
because
from
my mistake
Excel,
is from the
and then
only, and
uh,
it's from the Allah.
manage
I hope you
the
all can understand
business,
about me.
and then there is AI that I already learned some about it. I already uh, improve my IT skills, so it's very needed in the future for I work and get my career in the future.
Oh, did you get or win any achievement from competition? Maybe
Oh.
did you join the competition?
Last time I joined futsal competition in Al Wafi last time, and it wins. It placed in third. It placed in third place. Yeah, with my team,
Yeah.
and then that's part of my achievement. Yeah, and also my best experience.
Yeah, in IT or in English? Yes.
Huh?
No.
What?
Have you ever joined English or IT competition?
For English and IT competition, I haven't joined yet because maybe my teacher or me never active at English or IT, so my teacher never called me to join a competition.
Yeah, but you can join it by yourself later.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
search for the competition and which competition fits you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any internship or teaching experience?
Last time my teaching experience goes to Balikpapan, especially in Kalimantan, in different island. So the story is me and my two friends, that is Halim and Ghazi, were in Saturday prepare for go home to my house, and then after that, in that experience,
Yeah.
I learned to go to Balikpapan alone in using
Airplane.
airplane, and then we improve our public speaking there, and then also I learn about the culture in Balikpapan.
So that's the time. It's the time that you try to improve your public speaking in front of
Many people.
the audience, yeah, many people, and in different country, in different culture also.
Different city, different
Different
city.
city, yeah. So, and how did you feel?
For
Yeah, when you teach the people and
Oh.
when you share your knowledge to people in front of the audience.
so at first I was with so at first I will so at first I was feel nervous to share my knowledge, but uh, at but now I already improve again and again. In the next day of teaching, I already brave to share my knowledge
Brave and confident.
to the audience with my team.
Okay, so later just try to be more confident and practice again, because public speaking
It's
is
very important.
very important. Not only the skill, because speaking and public speaking is soft skill. You have to improve. Yeah, and the last, just please give the motivation. What is your motivation?
So from my motivation is we have to do it something that really interested in there, and then we have to be responsible. And then the rest may Allah control, or control the rest.
Okay, such interesting interview with you, Arkana. Thank you and good luck in the future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Lanjut. Ya, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I will repeat my presentation about my final project presentation. So I will introduce country, that is USA, or it can call United States of America. So why I choose USA for my presentations, because USA is very big and powerful country for its army and the technology, and also the technology is very advanced, very modern, and like that. Okay, so before I start this presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Arkana Raisya Amam. I'm from 9E class. Okay, continue to the presentation. So welcome guys to the USA, the United States of America, or simply can call the USA. Is one of the most powerful and famous countries in the world. It is located in North America and made up of 50 states. The country is known for its freedom, technology, and modern lifestyle. People from many parts of the world live in the USA, which makes it very diverse country. The capital city of the USA is Washington DC, while the largest city is New York City. So in USA, the capital city is Washington DC, but it's not the largest city in USA. The largest city is New York City. Next, the capital city, namely Washington DC, is the capital of the United States. It is not a bigger city, but it's very important because it is the center of the government. The White House, where the president lives, is located here. You can also find the Capitol building, where laws are made, and the Lincoln Memorial and Washington Monument, which are popular historical landmarks. The city is clean, green, and full of museums like the Smithsonian Museum that shows American history and science. So, the government of USA, the president, lives in Washington DC in the capital city, in the white building, in the modern building. So, the government live there. Next, the famous cities in America. So as you know, the United States has many big and exciting cities. New York City is known as the city that never sleeps because it's always busy. It has the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Central Park, and LA or Los Angeles. It's famous for Hollywood, where many movies are made there. San Francisco has the Golden Gate Bridge and is close to Silicon Valley, home of many technology companies. Each city has its own unique culture, style, and atmosphere that make the USA interesting to explore. Next, the Hollywood and American entertainment. Hollywood is one of the most famous places in the world for movies. Almost every popular film, like Marvel, Disney, or action movies are made there. The USA is also the home of famous actors, singers, and celebrities. American music genres like pop, rock, rap, and rock are listened to all over the world. All makes the United States a center of global entertainment of culture and culture. So here is the image of Hollywood that located in USA. This is also the famous city in USA. Next, for the technology and innovation, the United States is known as the center of world technology. Many of the most popular technology companies were created there, such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla. The companies are located in area called Silicon Valley in California. The USA has created many inventions that changed the world, like the internet, airplanes, and smartphones. American people love creativity and innovation, which makes the country always grow and move forward. So as you know, the USA country is a very advanced country for the technology, and then many companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple is made from there. Next, for the famous American foods. Food in the USA is famous everywhere. The most popular American foods are hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, donuts, and apple pie. Americans love fast food because it is quick and very easy to eat. You can find many fast food restaurants like McDonald's, KFC, and Burger King all around the country. Even though fast food is popular, there are also delicious regional foods like barbecue and pancakes. American food shows the culture makes it simple, tasty, and loved by people around the world. So you can find many stores like KFC, McDonald's, and Burger King all around in country. Next, the culture and diversity. One of the most special things about America is its diversity. People from all over the world, from Asia, Africa, Europe, and Latin America. This makes the country full of different traditions, foods, language, and celebration. For example, Americans celebrate many holidays like Thanksgiving, Independence Day, and Halloween. Because of this mix, you can find all kinds of cultures living together peacefully. That's why the USA is often called the melting pot of cultures. Next, the nature and tourist attraction. The United States is one of the most advanced countries in technology and innovation. It is home to NASA, which explores space and creates new technology for science. There is also Tesla, which makes electric cars and develops clean energy for the future. Other American companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon change the way people live, work, and communicate. America shows the creativity and innovation can make the world be a better place. And the education and famous universities. America is also known for its high quality education. Many of the best universities in the world are in the USA, such as Harvard, MIT, and Stanford, and many again universities that high quality in there. Students from many countries dream of studying there. So, students from example from ASEAN abroad able abroad to having education in USA. That's why many famous scientists, inventors, and leaders come from American universities. Education plays a big role in making the country successful. And the last is conclusion. The United States of America is a country full of dreams, progress, and opportunities. From its modern cities to its beautiful nature, from its foods to its culture, and everything in America shows diversity and strength. It's, it is a place where people from different backgrounds can live together and achieve their goals. The USA continues to inspire the world with its movies, music, technology, and innovation. That's why America is called the land of freedom and opportunity. Okay, this is the last slide. So I will closing. Sorry guys if I have many mistakes. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan.
Dari record. Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to do my English final project, especially is best project presentation. So next, as usual, I will introduce myself first. My name is Arkana Raisya Amam, and I'm a grad student at IDN Boarding School, Jonggol. So since when in elementary school, I've been excited about game and even tried making my first game in my elementary school, Scratch game. Although I wasn't fully focused on IT at that time, so that's why I decided to study at IDN Boarding School for my junior high school in here. And here I developed my IT skills and grow my curiosity to improve even. Next. So here I will explain my best project. Start from the 7th grade project, the best project only, until 9th grade, end of first semester. Next, 7th grade best project. So for my first best project is catching fruit, of course, because this is the first game that I have created on 7th grade, and I proud of my task is done. The game is looks like this. The name is catching fruit. So I will explain. I will give a short explanation about this game. So in this game there is 5 sprites. There is the ball, apple, or the fruit, and then the animals. So you have to catch the fruit with the ball. You have to catch it, and then you can get 1 point if you catch the fruit. But the opposite, if you catch the animal with the ball, your score will be -1. And then next to the second project of the okay. So the next is IDN teaching. When 7th grade, I already have the first teaching experience with my friends. That are Afan, me, Abiasa, and Aljabar. So here is the photo of School of Universe in Depok, in Aljabar's elementary schools. So when at that time I teach about Scratch, sketching fruit with my friends. Then next, when 8th grade best projects. So in 8th grade best project is UI UX design for me, the Muslim app. So we'll go to the project. So here are my UI UX project in 8th grade in the first semester. So the task is I have to make UI UX design, UI UX application in Figma using prototypes. And here are the results as you can see. So the title is about Muslim app. So So here are the view of my app, the Muslim Pro. So next, this look like this, and then it's
Error.
so the main point is just like this, the application, and I am proud of this projects too, because at that time this project is one of the hard project, the most hard project in head grade that I have done it. Next. Next is short film in 8th grade in the second semester. So in the second semester, I have built a short film. The title is 5 Dreams About Being Together. And there is Ashraf, Kashka, Arya, me, and Albara. So at that video, we were making 5 dreams about how to being together. And then next to the 9 grades best projects. Already 10. Right. Next is study plan. Especially the study plan project is from English lessons. So why study plan is one of my best project in 9th grade? Because I am planning from junior high school until I get my career in the future. So in senior high school, I've been planning, and then I tell the story or tell my planning to my classmates and take a video from the project until I PKL, until get career in my future job. Next is Flutter project. This is my Flutter project, but this is not the latest update. So this is already a long time ago, the documentation. I have the documentation in real in Flutter, but I will open Flutter. I will open my VS Code, and then after that I will Flutter. Belum bisa. Still loading for the Flutter app. So the app that I've been done in 9 grades is look like this. That called Bitaqwa app that I have done made on Flutter. The language programming is Flutter in Visual Studio Code. So in this application, it shows 4 menus. The first is doa, second zakat, third jadwal, and the last is kajian. So in this application, it shows the real times. Looks in here. It is correct and then in countdown for the next prayer, that is Zuhur. Countdown how many minutes left. It shows here 38 minutes left to pray Zuhur. And then there is doa menus, doa screen. So here are the doa. There is pagi dan malam, rumah, makanan, perjalanan, and the others. And also there is zakat and jadwal sholat. And the last menus is video kajian. So it's like that. Next, there are the inspiration card, and then the video that maybe can play, and then there is the prayer times, so we can see from this app what time the prayer should to do. Chat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next. Closing aja. Okay, maybe that's all from my best project presentations, my final project. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.